हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर डोमेन। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू आर एक्टिवली लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन रेफर दिस वीडियो। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स, इफ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस फील्ड और यू आर अ फ्रेशर, देन यू कैन लुक आउट फॉर दिस जॉब। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं, and what kind of salary these companies are offering and the eligibility criteria these companies have. But उससे पहले let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू और अपने फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू नई जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। तो अगर आप इंडिया के किसी भी कोने से हैं और लुकिंग फॉर एनी जॉब चेंज इन डेटा साइंस डोमेन और इन सॉफ्टवेयर डोमेन और इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन, देन डेफिनेटली कैन सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। और साथ में आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज को भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, मेरे फेसबुक पेज को भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, जिसके लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं किन किन लोकेशंस में जॉब अवेलेबल हैं एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गए हम अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज जो जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं दीज आर रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रूल। So पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट व्हिच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जिसे आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं फॉर द रेगुलर जॉब अपडेट्स। एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन फॉलो माय वेबसाइट www.callcentertalks.com where you can find different blogs related to interview material, and also you can submit your job application form. Now let's move to the job part. So the first company name is Avery, which is in Bangalore. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Experience they are looking for is 6 years to 8 years. Skills Power BI and SQL. Salary they are offering is 8 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum. Now, if you look into the job summary, what they are looking for is building analysis, service, reporting models, expertise in SQL database, modeling, queries, procedures, and triggers, developing visual reports, dashboards, cubes, and KPI scorecards using Power BI, publishing and scheduling Power BI reports as per the business requirement. The candidate should also be proficient in making DEX, SQL, and MDX queries in Power BI desktop, expertise in using advanced level calculation of the data set, responsible for design methodology and project documentation, able to develop tabular and multidimensional models that are compatible with warehouse trends. Now, some technical skills they are looking for. The candidate should have knowledge and skills for secondary tools such as Microsoft Azure, Data Lake, Azure Function and Triggers, SQL Data Warehouse, Polybase, Visual Studio, etc. Able to integrate Power BI reports into the other application using embedded analytics like Power BI services or by API automation. It means you should know about Power BI and SQL. These are the primary key skills. Apart from this, if you have experience in Microsoft Azure, Azure Function and SQL Data Warehouse, Polybase, then that would be an added advantage. Now, if you want to apply for the job post, this link is given in the description box. You can also pause the video and can go through with the required skills and job description again, and then you can submit your job application form. The second job is the company name Capgemini, which is a famous IT consulting company. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 6 to 9 years. Location primary is in Mumbai, but this is available pan India as well. Salary is competitive, education BE. Now, roles and responsibilities, if you look into what they are asking is extensive experience in Power BI visualization, experience in implementing tabular model implementation and row level and security, experience in requirement documentation and client interaction requirement analysis. Some technical skills they are looking for: experience in Power BI development using SSAS tabular model, experience in writing and optimizing DAX functions, good understanding of data warehouse concepts, experience in required documentation, good presentation and coordination skills. Again, if you want to apply for the job post, simply you can go to the description box and can see the link over there and can submit your job application form. The third company name is Globant for the role of Power BI developer. Experience they are looking for 8 to 20 years. Location is in Pune, Indore, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad. Education bachelor's degree in computer science. Skills Power BI and DAX functions. Salary is competitive. Now, roles and responsibility: Power BI report development, should be expert in data modeling, prepare reports and dashboards, visualization and functions, performance optimization, and Power Query. Required skills, strong skills in DEX query writing, Power Query, performance optimization, then strong skills in DEX query writing, Power Query, M language, good to have performance optimization. So if you want to apply for the job post, you can simply check this bit.ly link. Also, you can find this bit.ly link in the description box where you can click and can land to the job application form, the career page for Globant. Now, if you want to search for this company, there's a website www.globant.com, but Globant is a 20 years old company, which is NYC, New York Stock Exchange listed public organization with more than 27,000 employees working worldwide across 25 countries. The fourth company in the list is the Mavericks, which is hiring for Power BI and apps developer experience. They are looking for a fresher or experienced person, but if you have just experience of 6 months, then you can apply for the job post or maximum 2 years. Location is in Mumbai. They can also provide you the hybrid mode or WFH. It means work from home as well. Education is BE, BSc in computer science or relevant field. The skills Power BI and SharePoint, and salary is 2.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. So if you're looking for an internship or you have just experience of 6 months minimal, then you can definitely apply for the job post. Now, roles and responsibility: design, develop, and support solutions within Power Platform using out-of-the-box features and capabilities, developing Canvas and model-driven Power Apps, developing workflows using Power Automate, support new or existing application development using Power BI platform technology, work with team members to achieve goals for the project, and document activities in operations guideline. Required skills: Microsoft 365 techniques, including SharePoint Online and the Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. SharePoint Power Platform related certification, if you have that, is good to go. And troubleshooting abilities, ability to learn new and emerging technologies, and good communication skills, written and spoken. Now, if you want to apply for the job post, simply check this bit.ly link in the description box and can click the bit.ly link and you can land to the career page. So guys, these jobs are available. So friend, that's it for today. All these jobs links are available in the description box. Do check it from there. And if you have any doubt, any jobs, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this video. And also you can follow me on my Instagram page and my website and my Facebook page. All the links are in the description box. Do check out the link and also subscribe and share this video to your needy friends. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.